In this video, I'm presenting my Moodle course created for eTech 565A. This was a Pre-Calculus 12 course matching the British Columbia curriculum requirements for Pre-Calculus 12. As you can see, I've created a graphical user interface with various icons linking the material from the course so the student can have quick access to the main parts of the course. So I've created two modules. Module 1 is an introductory module. Module 2 is the first unit of the course. Below the graphical user interface are two forums. Here is the social forum. The students can use that forum to chat on any topic they like throughout the term of the course. Then the news forum is used by myself, the teacher, to provide news items, noteworthy items that the students need to know regarding the course. So scrolling down here, we get to the first unit, the first module in the course, which was an introductory unit. And this introductory unit provides all the necessary information to the student, such as an introduction to the course, and I'll just click into that now. So I created in HTML using Dreamweaver web pages that I could import into Moodle, and the students can then read through the web pages and do the activities provided on these web pages. In addition to that, there's some links on the web pages here that take them back to the Moodle homepage or to the next activity in the sequence of learning. So here's an introduction. Notice some course objectives, brief course outline, some required resources here for the course, typical lesson structure, and grading breakdown. So I'm going to go back to the course homepage. So going further down in that first module here is an icebreaker activity. This was a selected release activity, so it could not be accessed by the students until the introduction was read and completed by the students. So going into the icebreaker activity here. So again, this is another web page created in Dreamweaver. And all what this was to introduce students to some of the technological tools that I would be using in the course. So first of all was the forum, which is built into Moodle. So selecting that forum would take them to a set of questions, and by clicking on this add a new discussion topic, they could add their answers to those questions and respond to other people's answers to those questions. So in addition to the forum, then there was also the Desmos calculator, a calculator created by Google that I'm using in the course that I find extremely helpful for the students to be able to use to create graphs of different functions. So they type in the function here, you can create sliders and manipulate the function as desired with that. So going back here, so there's another forum then on the Desmos calculator where the students can socially interact with one another to discuss their experiences with Desmos. Then there's the wiki, also built into Moodle, and at the end of each unit they are required to participate in a wiki activity where they challenge each other with questions to develop problems for their fellow students to solve. So here's a link to the introductory wiki. So this just shows the wiki here as they would add to information. So here's the directions, and they can edit, provide comments, etc. in that wiki. So going back here to the course homepage, so going further down into the introductory. Okay, so again with restricted access until the icebreaker activity is done, then they participate in the introductory forum, introductory wiki. They're also provided with a more detailed course outline as shown here with objectives. They have a course schedule right here which shows what they need to do and on what day, and I would add that to it when I would provide the specific course, and then a chat where they can chat with each other. Then in Module 1, that's where the lessons actually start. So going into Module 1 Introduction, so this introduces the module, how it's set up, what they're going to have to do, how to participate in forums, some of the major objectives of the module in detail,